Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Mercedes Sprinter panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months. You also get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single callout, which you can obviously extend with unlimited callouts here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This vehicle is painted in silver and is the model with the extended wheelbase and raised roof, making it an L4 H2 variant. At the back you can find the barn-style opening doors, while on the curb side you have the sliding door and the fuel port just behind the passenger door. For the diesel. Let's take a look at the boot now. As you can see, the vehicle is fitted with a full metal bulkhead at the very end, full wood ply lining over the side panels and the rear doors. You also have box wheel arches housing to get you an even shape of the cargo area, and also 12 anchorage points over the floor to secure all your cargo. Size-wise, you have an extensive 132 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 193 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, and then a massive 432 centimeters of fully usable flooring space. Let's take a look into the cabin. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat, which is also fitted with an adjustable armrest. And then once you get into the cabin, you have some storage solutions spanning the dashboard, one just underneath the glove box, the center console, and just across, the center of which is fitted with a lid and a USB Type-C port. 2 more cup holders in front of the driver. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have an analog dashboard with a digital trip computer and a digital service screen right on top. The steering wheel is a multifunction and it is also adjustable in depth and pitch. Over to the left you have the wiper stalk and also lighting stalk. And over to the left you have the infotainment controls, which also command the main infotainment screen. And over to the right spoke you have the controls for the cruise control and the digital trip computer. Just underneath of the steering wheel over to the right you have the dial for the headlights, also dimming of the cabin lights, and the height adjustment for the main beam. While over to the driver's armrest you have the power windows and central locking unit controls. The infotainment unit is a Mercedes MBUX, which is both a touchscreen and, as I mentioned before, can be controlled through this quite easy touchpad over the steering wheel. It's fitted with DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, both through Bluetooth and the USB-C port. And from here you can also access other settings of the vehicle, like all the assistance, active brake assist and attention assist, for example. The vehicle is also fitted with the digital winter tire limit speed control, and also other settings for lights and the rest of the systems. Just underneath you have the controls for the air conditioning unit with the digital screen. And this vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear transmission and keyless start and stop button. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Mercedes Sprinter panel van L4 H2. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.